an idea and you're looking out for a mentor, and let us see, let us think it like this. You have an idea and you don't have any capital with you, you don't have a place to work at all, and you don't have anyone to guide you, or you don't have any capital with you or anything, you don't have any mentor with you. So you come up to us and come up with an idea. We'll show you a mentor. We'll give you a place. We'll let you come to a place where you can work, where you can go to the market. We'll let your product go to the market. We'll release your product. We'll help you till your product goes to the market. So I'll give you an example for that. We have a company working with us where their product runs on IoT. That means their product their product is completely based on IoT, which is like it works on uh, their products are depending on lights, which is completely on home based innovation. So that is when you're going out, you don't know whether you have switched off your lights, you switched off your fans, you switched off your TV, AC, curtains, and all. So what you can do is you can take your phone, you can monitor everything your phone, you can check your phone, your lights are off, your TV is off, your AC is off, everything you can monitor over phone. So that is a new technology, right? Now we have to check our switches, we have to check our TV switch, we have to check our curtains, we have to check our gas, everything we have to check. So like that, we have multiple people working with us. We have one other person working with us where there is a boat which goes into the sea, where some boat is already been drowned and some people are already been drowned in the sea, and the persons are not been able to check them. Okay, so the boat is automated and it goes. We are on the edge of the sea, and that boat is remotely operated, and that goes into the sea and that finds out the people over there, the boat which is already drowned, and that can find out the people over there, and the people can catch the boat and they can come to the shore. So that kind of ideas can come up to us. They can talk to us and come to us, and they can call us or any today, Vijayawada, Tirupati, Anantapur, and we are also in Kakinada. So we can give you suggestions, we can give mentors, we can give you support financially, and also we can give you support through. We can give you support. Uh, we can give you all kind of support you need. Like we can give you all sorts of support. We can give you complete set of support, set up everything we can give you. So anybody who requires that kind of support, we can give you. That is Innovation Society. So anybody, if you have any kind of doubts, you can come up with me. Anybody has any doubt? Any other questions?
No, madam, nobody is raising their hands.
I understand. I know this is a 1 hour session. I know I've ended up very fast. The reason I ended up very fast is I wanted to have the questions so that it would be easy to answer. Rather than me talking and the other person's not understanding that, I wanted to take up the questions and answer. So that would be more of an interactive session. So anybody knows at least what Innovation Society is all about? At least someone can come up on that.
Madam, somebody raised their hand.
Yeah, please.
Some Manya.
Yes, Manya. Yes, Manya. anything about the society. Okay. So government has come up with a society to understand people who has ideas, but they don't have any kind of support. I've been telling you, right? Okay, you are an individual. You wanted to set up a company. Okay. The startup is all about a company, setting up a company where it has only one entrepreneur or two entrepreneurs, not more than that. Setting up a company requires too many people, but setting up a startup requires one or two people. That's enough. You don't need much people. You just set up a company and come up with an idea. Okay, you don't need any kind of money or anything. You have an idea with you, but you wanted to grow that. You don't have anything with you. For that, government gives you funds. Government gives you an area to set up your company. Government gives you an area to make you sit there, and government gives you an area to grow your company, and government gives you a place. Government gives you a mentor to. Okay, you have an idea, but your idea is not going in a right direction. You need a right direction to let your idea grow into a right path. Okay, so what the government does is it gives you a mentor to let your idea go into a right direction. It gives you required money. Okay, central government has required funds. It makes you go into. It has different funds like seed funds. It has startup funds. So it let you go into that kind of areas and make you set into that funds and let your company get those funds which requires to your company. And if your company needs some space to sit, let your company need some place where you can sit and work. It gives you that kind of space where you are located and you can sit there and work. It gives you that place, and everything is free of cost for some part of time till you go out and make your product go outside and go into the market. Till then, the government gives you all sorts of support. So that is innovation society. Am I clear or any kind of doubt? Manya, you there? Manya? Manya?
No, madam, she's not there.
Any other doubts? I thought I'll have too many doubts. That's the reason I ended up very fast. I wanted to make how to present our ideas so that it is reachable. Okay, so I'll give you my details of the people who you can who can get in touch with. I'll give you my details. I can give you the details of our organization and everything. You can reach us with your idea. We are located in Vijayawada. We are located in Vizag and all. We are located in 5 locations. Wherever you are located, come to us, reach us, take an appointment with us, reach us, come with an idea. Okay, I'll take you to the right person. He'll talk to you. Okay, and from there we'll take it ahead. If that is the right idea, we'll take it ahead. Any other questions, please? I'm looking for more questions. So what kind of ideas do you have? And one other thing I wanted to tell you, these startup ideas are not specific to one kind of technology. These are not only technology-based startups. We are looking for any kind of startups which are innovative. Any other questions? You guys need to have too many questions, man. You are next generation people. You need to have too many questions. Have to work on our idea when we are unclear or how many ideas are. Okay, that is what I've been telling you. You have an idea, come up with that. You have a mentor with us. I've been telling you the same. We have mentors. They'll tell you how we can take the idea ahead. Okay, let's take you know how to make a pin, but you're not clear whether you can make a pin with that or you can make any other thing with that. So mentor will guide you whether you can make a pin with that or you can make a pencil with that. You have an idea, you come up with that. We'll guide you into a right direction. And one other thing I wanted to tell you, don't be, and once again, I'm telling you, don't please be specific on technologies. It's not a technology based innovation. We are welcoming with all kinds of innovations. Any kind of idea we are open with. We have, and one other interesting idea we have come up recently is people, there are students who learn who start writing for civils groups and all, right? So one person has come up with an idea who started an app. That app gives you suggestions of what you have already read. Okay, let's take it, you have already finished studying lesson 1. Okay, it tells you you already learned this lesson or this paragraph or this question in this lesson. It reminds you that you have learned this lesson these many times. These are the questions in this lesson. So they have come up with an app stating this. These are the questions you have learned. These are the lessons you have learned. These are the topics you've already covered, because this is a very vast syllabus, right? In that you don't remember sometimes that which syllabus you have already learned, which lessons you have already learned, which topics you have already covered. So one interesting idea we have recently got is this app. So we are welcoming the apps also recently, and there is no age constraint also for this. Guys, please, any kind of questions, I'm open to answer you. I myself am searching for questions if I can answer properly. And you know what? Many people doesn't know that Innovation Society is a very elaborative and very good idea from the government, because no government has yet given this kind of facility. No person knows that government is giving this kind of facility to all the persons who has ideas but they don't have any kind of facilities. Many people don't know about this facility, and majorly the student doesn't know about these facilities. This is a very good facilities where the students or any person who has an idea can utilize it it is a very good idea. You can use it for utmost, because you don't need to invest anything, right? You have an idea, that's it. You don't need to invest anything. You just can take your idea ahead, that's it. When you reach your market, the government is not asking anything from you. It's just supporting you, right? Any more questions? I'm waiting, guys. Any more questions? Any more doubts? Anything you wanted to know?
Please continue, madam. They will ask if any at the end. So they are not getting the questions.
Yeah, I understand. They are not getting questions.
So at the end, they will put the questions, I hope, in the question session.
Yeah, of course. Okay. So, and one other example I wanted to give you about what exactly the startups, what kind of startups you can also give us. We are into robotic process, we are into agriculture process, we are into apps designing, and we are also, we are into multiple things like advanced technology ecosystems. We are into multiple things. If you are having a robotic process system, and if you wanted your system to get into the market into a limited period, let's take for a 6 months period, you wanted to be with us, you wanted mentors. What is the mentor, and who exactly is the mentor? Okay, so what, how, and and you also might be thinking how the mentor or idea is being taken into innovation system. Okay, so I'll explain you how we shortlist the ideas. Okay, we have a council, and we have a team of people. Those are all professors from different departments. We have an executive department, we have a startup department, and we have different people from government. These all the team sit and talk to you, and they all adjust their timings according, and they sit with you, and they will mentor your team. They'll mentor you, whatever the product or whatever the idea you have, they'll mentor you, they'll talk to you, they'll guide you every time. And then that committee will organize their timings, they'll conduct the marathons, they'll conduct different kind of sessions with you, and then they'll start talking to you and different times, and they'll also give sessions to you, and they'll connect with you through seminars, and then they'll give you some ideas required, and then they'll take you to the market. So this segment takes about 6 months to 1 year or so, and then you'll go to the market. So let's take, you wanted to make a bag, so you know how to make a bag. So how many types of bags you can make is what is an idea. Okay, so what kind of bags you can make? Making a bag is easy. You know how to make a bag. You can just stitch it, take it out, and it. Okay, there are eco-friendly bags now. Nowadays, eco-friendly bags are coming. So people are making it out of paper. People are making it out of waste. People are making it with jute. People are making it with coconut. So these are all coming up with new ideas, right? So recently we have seen one new idea which has come up, new robotic hand. A hand which is made by robot, and it's a process, and it is like it is shown like real hand. It does all the things which a real hand does. That's a new idea. So like that, many new things are being innovated and been accepted by and been supported by government. So any other ideas you have are being supported like that. And one other idea which has been supported by the government is, I told you IoTs, I told you robotic process, and another idea I wanted to share with you is, I wanted to share with you is a robotic motor which connects with water and shows you where exactly it is a small meter. It's a connector, I have to say. A boy has come up, and he doesn't know anything. He did not study. He doesn't have a bare minimum education. I think he has done his 10th standard, and he has come up with an idea stating that it's like a cycle. It climbs up with electricity, and these palm trees, right? These people who get this, you call in Telugu kallu, right? So you get that from the palm trees. So he has made up a electric cycle which gets which climbs up and gets that from the palm trees. So that he has come up to us and made that electric cycle, and we have promoted him. Now that electric cycle is into the market. So it doesn't require anyone who needs to be well educated or well graduated or something like that. He doesn't need to be well graduated or come up from a well settled family or something like that. He just need to be from a place where he has some idea. That's hello.
Yeah, madam.
Maleshwara, there is some problem with the line.
No, madam. You are
I'm audible,
very,
right?
very audible, very clear. No, voice is also very
Okay.
clear.
Yeah. Nagamaleshwara, I wanted to present something to this team. Can I
Yes,
just
ma'am.
reconnect in 1 minute?
Yes, ma'am. Sure.
Yeah, give me 1 minute. I'll reconnect, please.
Okay, ma'am. Hello. RVH.
Sir,
Hi, I'm back. I'm sorry. Can you hear me? Anyone, please tell me. Can you hear me?
Voice, please respond.
Yeah, thank you very much. So I wanted to just present some presentation to you. Meanwhile, can anyone ask me any questions? I'm just preparing my presentation, please. I'm just trying to share my screen. Give me just 2 seconds. Meanwhile, anyone can ask me anything. Does anyone know anything about Startup India? What exactly is Startup India? You can just tell me yes, no.
I think they don't know, madam. Actually, previous batch they went to Startup India competition. these
Yeah,
newly
yeah.
joined people doesn't know about this startup India.
Okay. Startup
National
India
Technical.
is a central government scheme which gives funding to the startups. It's a central government scheme which gives funding to the startups. Whichever the startups are there, the central government gives funding to the startups. That is Startup India. If you have a startup and you want funding, Startup India gives you the funding. But you need to have a mentor in the state government. So for that, Innovation Society gives you a mentor for that. If anybody is not understanding anything, you can please ping me so that I can give you a clear picture on that. If everybody is understanding, I'm not getting questions. That's my major concern. Does anyone want to set up a company first of all? I could see about 56 participants here. Does anyone wants to set up a company? Does anyone wants to stand up on their own? Yes. Mr. Nageshwara Ravuri, Prasanna Revati. Okay. Prasanna Revati, I have a question for you. What kind of company do you want to set up?
Prasanna, do you have mic or not?
You can type Prasanna, I have no concerns. I'll read out. What kind of company do you want to set up? Because I have a dream of setting up a company. I wanted to set up a company. What kind of company? I have my own clue. I wanted to set up a company. I wanted to give employment to about 1,000 people, let us say. I wanted to give employment to 1,000 people. I wanted to set up a company and give employment to 1,000 people. So like that, what kind of company do you wanted to set up? Do you have any clue what kind of company do you wanted to set up? That makes viewers reach directly to customers. Excellent. So where are you from, Revati? Kakinada, exactly. So what kind of, so are you looking out to set up a company very shortly? So what kind of efforts do you make till now?
Ravati having many doubts, but she is not having mic.
Okay, Nagamalleswara garu, you can give her, I haven't worked much. Okay,
Okay,
no
so
problem.
okay.
If she has any doubts or if she has any ideas, ask her to reach me out. And there is one other person by name, some Ravuri, Nageshwara, some.
Sivanageshwar Rao.
He also wants to set up a company. Yeah. So what kind of company do you want to set up?
Sivanageshwar Rao, please respond.
Organic farming. Okay, excellent. So what do you know anything about organic farming? Because nowadays organic farming has become livelihood for everyone. If you take cities like Hyderabad, Vizag, any place, any big city, organic shops have become a major concern. Every place you go, you see an organic shop. You don't know whether it is a real organic shop or just an organic shop, but it is an organic shop. That's it. So how do you want it to make your shop a specific shop that you will let everybody know that yes, it is an organic shop? How do you want to make it a special?
He is also not having mic when he is typing.
Yeah, let him.
So anybody from our group, any doubts or any sort of ideas?
No, let them talk, Malleshwara.
Live
Because I
demonstration.
could see 55 members who were interested in this topic, but I could see only 2 people who wanted to start a company. That is interesting.
He replied, madam, live demonstration of farming.
Live demonstration of farming, exactly. Okay. So live demonstration of farming is a very good idea. Exactly, perfect. And what you can do is come to us, talk to us. We'll give you a better idea for this. We can make your idea grow a little better. Got my point? Thank you very much. Okay. And there is one other thing I wanted to share with you guys is what kind of other innovations you can do. Do you know anything about an incubator? What exactly an incubator is? Okay. Let's take, there is a very big company and it has, it can take multiple companies into that. Okay. I'll tell you one incubator we have is NASCOM. Okay. NASCOM is a place where it can take multiple small companies into that. It will do all the mentorship. It will give mentorship. It will do all the kind of required. It will give all required. It will promote. It will give all required skills to them. It will give whatever required facilities are required. It will give it to them. That is called incubator. So we have about 5 to 6 incubators with us. Innovation Society has 5 to 6 incubators with us. What we will do is we'll give some amount to the incubators. That what that incubator does is whatever the small companies required amount, they'll give it to them and they'll mentor them. They'll give that required amount to them. They will divide that amount between them and they'll make that small companies grow. Okay, let's take this organic farming live demo. Okay, organic farming is a general topic, but still you are little innovative. You wanted to show them how they can grow that organic farming by themselves at homes, or you can show them how it can be grown at a small place. In a small place, how you can grow many things. You can show that, or in a small place, how can you grow too many? Let's say in a small pot, you can grow 2 to 3 things. How can you show that? And these kind of things are being, yeah, sure. I'll share the incubators with you. You can talk to me personally, Mr. Malleshwara. I'll share you the incubators details to you. But one thing is, I can share you the incubators provided in. You wanted the incubators details in Vijayawada or Visakhapatnam?
Vijayawada, madam.
Okay. I'll share it with you. Talk to me personally. I'll share it with you. I'm trying to send you one other thing. I'll do one other thing, Mr. Malleshwara. I'll send you all the details of whatever the incubators I have. And we are also associated with one organization called NRDC, which is a National Research Development Corporation, which is under the Ministry of Science and Technology, Government of India, which also gives the patentship. You know what exactly is the patent? Whenever you have innovated something, like whichever is first, when somebody has innovated something and which is done by us first. I have invented something which is done by me first. I need to get patent of that. And if somebody is buying that, I'll have the patent of that. Okay. So that's called patent, and that patents are given by NRDC. You can get that registered through NRDC. So that NRDC is working with us.
Yes, madam. Morning they have session with BK Sahu.
It is the ownership. Sahu might have given that, right?
Yes, morning first session is with Sahu, sir.
Yeah, patent is a ownership kind of stuff. So NRDC team is also registered with us. They are working with us.
Okay.
Okay. So if anybody has such kind of patent recordship also, we can do that.
Madam, is there any
And we
procedure?
also have the co-working spaces. Co-working spaces in the sense, you only require 2 people who can sit and work. We can make them come and work with us. You want 5 members who wanted to come and work with us, they can work with us with a bare minimal amount spent, and we have commercialized spaces and we have free spaces also who can come and work with us. We have both commercialized spaces. We have spaces with us which are commercialized and which are free also. Free spaces are like we give mentors and all, and that is a different part of the story. And commercialized spaces is a different part of the story. Who are already established, but still they are on the downfall or something like that. That's a different part of the story.
Okay.
And you might be asking, what are the benefits of being a part of the Innovation Society? You will be having incubation programs. That means what are the benefits of incubation programs in the sense, how can your small company get into different kinds of big companies? How can you get into different companies? And one is acceleratory programs. Acceleratory programs in the sense, how can you get your product more charge? How can you get your product get into the market very soon? And also you can get your lab facilities, and you can get your mentors, you can get startup approvals. Every startup needs approval, right? You can't go into the market straight away. You need an approval for that. We'll get your approvals, and any kind of disruptions that can be taken care of by the government itself. So that facilities and all are taken care of by the Innovation Society. So in fact, if you do it privately, these all parts you have to take care individually. But if you come into the Innovation Society, because as it is a government taken care organization, then all these facilities will be taken care by government individually. So these are all the facilities you will get through the government. So this is one other added advantage to you. And we have an IP facilitation center. As I told you, we can get you the IP. We can make you get your IP registered, and we have a startup factory, and we have a co-working space. We have R&D facilities, complete R&D facilities with us, and we can do all kind of required documentations for you. We have required people there. And you can also, there is also a facility to all the startups is they can meet different kinds of people who are from the large scale industries also. So that you will have new ideas, you can come up with new ideas, and you can make this product go into the different new large scale industries also, right? You can get tie-ups with different kind of large scale people. It's not that you are confined to a small kind of space. You can go into the different people, you can talk to different people, you can take your product to different people, so that your exercise becomes little aggravate and you can take this to a different level. So these are all the facilities the startup programs give and the Innovation Society gives.
Madam, is there any process of making student idea into the prototype in our AP Innovation Society? Means mentoring the student idea into the prototype.
Yes, we have that.
Okay. So how to join for that?
You can talk to us personally, okay, and we'll guide you on that.
Okay. Previously, we are collaborated with AP Skill Development Program under Venture Development Center.
I know that.
So previously we were there with VDC. So time being, it was the program was stopped.
No, let your team talk to us. We will get this done. We have that facility.
VDC is also now, it is part of AP Innovation Society.
Yes, it is.
Okay, ma'am, sure, thank you. So at the time we are having about 9 to 10 ventures from AP SSDC.
Who's I know that, but I don't know the count about APSSDC, but I know that APSSDC is associated with you.
Yes, madam. At the
Ravi
time,
is associated with you from APSSDC, right?
Ravi, Krishna Naingada used to be here,
Okay.
and Lakshmi madam, and for our mentor is Prudvi and Chaitanya.
Oh. Yes, you can talk to me personally. I'll
Okay,
get
ma'am.
this done.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, okay.
I'll
Sure,
make
ma'am.
someone talk to you from my team on that
Okay,
and make
ma'am.
this done.
Thank you, ma'am. Sure.
And team, I can tell you one other thing. Whatever the questions you have, if you are unable to talk to us here in this firm, I have my number. You'll have my number with Mr. Malleshwara. You can take it from him, and you can talk to us anytime. We are available from Monday to Friday anytime, and you can talk to us, or you can meet us in Thadepalli office anytime from Monday to Friday.
Sure, madam. Thank you. I can share in the chat, madam, your number.
Yeah, you can definitely.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
I can leave you my email address also. Any ideas you have, you can definitely send us an email. I'm sending you my email address. I'm texting you my email address, Mr. Malleshwara. Send them my email address also.
Email address I'm not having, madam. Only phone number I'm
I'm
having.
sending you. I'm sending you.
Okay, ma'am.
I sent it to you.
Okay, ma'am. Okay. I will share.
Got it? Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
If anybody wanted to understand anything in person or wanted to know anything more, you can definitely come back to us. You can meet us in person. We'll make you learn more.
Okay, ma'am. Sure, ma'am.
Okay?
So, guys, anybody having any doubts?
Any other
Please.
questions? Any other doubts? Please. I'm open for another 15 minutes.
Please, boys, girls. Please put your questions. If mic is not available, please type your questions
Please
in
type
the
your
chat,
questions.
the chat box. Please, we need more queries from you, more questions from you, more doubts from you.
In fact, the startup program is more beneficial for students like you rather than any other people. Ma'am, can we get incubators this near Kakinada and Vijayawada? I'll get you the list. Incubators are anyways with us. So once you get in touch with us, we'll get you collaborated with incubators. So anyways, I'll share the details with you.
So, Prasanna, please note down madam number and mail ID and talk to personally after this session. So, definitely, madam will help you in reaching the incubators nearby Vijayawada and Kakinada. Please note down madam number and email ID. Be in touch with madam. Still anybody? Any doubts? Please come up. So this is the time for the innovation. People are suffering from the COVID, so they want new ways to get their provisionals and many things. So time for the innovation. Any of the participants, please put your questions and queries regarding innovations and startups.
The more you ask, the more I can answer. Rather than me talking myself, it would be more interactive if you can ask me questions so that I can tell you more. Because if I start talking myself, it will not be an interactive session. This is an interactive session. I think they would have questions later, and so that they can come back to me, Mr. Maleshwaram.
Yes, madam. Yes, madam. 1 minute, madam.
No problem. I am available anytime.
Okay, madam. RH.
Okay.
RH Prasad.
Sir,
Please conclude. Madam, can I conclude?
Sure, you can.
good afternoon, everyone. It is my privilege to propose a vote of thanks for today's webinar. I would like to thank our guest webinar speaker, Dr. B.K. Sahu, Regional Manager and Head NRDC, and Sri Lavanya Chimuta Garu, Manager AP Innovation Society, Andhra Pradesh, for enlightening us with their knowledge. Today's webinar was full of knowledge and interesting things. It gave a deep insight into the innovation and startup. Once again, I would like to thank Dr. B.K. Sahu Garu and Lavanya Madam for taking out time from their busy schedule and enlightening us with their knowledge. Thank you so much, Madam and Sir. And also we thank all the faculty participants and students participants here for paying your attention and learning. Thank you very much all. With this, we are concluding this webinar.
And
Sir.
please fill up the feedback form, all of you, for the section 2. So otherwise we won't get your attendance. Please, all of you, fill the feedback form. Already I shared on the chat box. Please go through it.